What if I told you AI could run your online business while you sleep? Imagine waking up to sales notifications you didn't manually create. This is not the future anymore. It is happening right now. Thousands of people are quietly using AI to build digital income, but most beginners still don't understand how powerful this shift is, and that misunderstanding is costing them real money every single day. Right now, someone is building a business faster with AI than ever before, while others are stuck doing everything manually and burning out quickly. The question is not whether AI works, but whether you are using it, because AI is no longer optional in the online business world. It has become the silent engine behind modern digital success. Think about content creation, marketing, sales, and customer support. AI can now assist or fully handle all of these tasks, yet most people still treat it like a complicated mystery. What if simplicity was the real secret to scaling online income? Imagine launching products without hiring expensive teams or freelancers. Imagine writing ads that convert in seconds using intelligent tools. This is exactly what AI makes possible today for beginners. But there is a hidden truth most people never talk about. AI alone does not build success. Strategy makes it powerful. Without direction, even the smartest tools become useless noise. That is why understanding how to use AI matters more than ever. In this journey, you will discover how ordinary people become digital entrepreneurs, people who started with nothing and now earning full-time incomes online. And they are doing it by combining AI with simple systems, not complex coding, not massive budgets, just smart execution. The online world has changed faster in the last 2 years than ever. Traditional methods of earning online are being replaced rapidly. AI is not replacing people, it is replacing outdated methods, and those who adapt early always gain the biggest advantage. But here is where things get interesting and even shocking, as most people using AI are still using it the wrong way. They treat it like a toy instead of a business partner. They ask random questions instead of building structured systems. That difference alone separates winners from everyone else, because online success is no longer about hard work alone. It is about working smart with intelligent automation tools. AI can analyze markets faster than any human ever could. It can generate ideas, test strategies, and optimize results instantly, but only if you know how to guide it correctly. So the real question becomes much deeper now. Are you controlling AI, or is your confusion controlling you? Most people hesitate because they think AI is too technical, but in reality, it is designed to simplify your business life. The barrier is not technology, it is mindset and understanding. Once that shifts, everything about online income changes rapidly. Even complete beginners can build scalable systems with AI support, and that is exactly what we are about to explore. You are standing at the edge of a major digital transformation, one that's already reshaping how money is made online. The only thing left is whether you step into it or ignore it, because opportunity does not wait for hesitation or doubt. It rewards those who act with clarity and direction. And in the next part, things will become even more practical. Let's break down how AI actually starts building real online income systems. Now let's move from curiosity to real understanding of AI in business, because theory means nothing until you see it working in real life. Imagine a simple online store run by just one person. That person doesn't hire a team or spend thousands on marketing. Instead, they use AI tools to handle most daily tasks. First, they use AI to research what people actually want to buy. This replaces hours of manual market research in just seconds. Then AI helps them create product ideas based on real demand. It even suggests trendy niches that are growing fast online. This alone gives them a massive advantage over traditional sellers. And well, now think about content creation, one of the biggest struggles online. Normally, people spend hours writing posts, ads, or product descriptions, but AI can generate high-quality content in minutes instead, and not just random content, but targeted persuasive messaging. That means better engagement without extra effort or cost. Let's take a real-life example of a beginner entrepreneur. She starts with no experience and only a smartphone. She uses AI tools to create social media posts daily. Those posts start attracting attention within a few weeks. Slowly, she builds an audience without spending money on ads. Now she uses AI again to analyze what her audience likes most. This helps her refine her products and offers continuously. Another example is email marketing automation using AI systems. Instead of writing every email manually, AI creates entire sequences. These emails guide customers step by step toward making a purchase. The result is consistent sales without constant manual effort. Now imagine AI handling customer questions automatically. Chatbots can respond instantly, even while the owner sleeps. This improves customer trust and increases conversion rates. Many businesses today already rely heavily on these systems. Even large companies use AI for the same basic functions. The only difference is scale and complexity of operations. operations, but the core idea remains the same for everyone. AI reduces workload and increases speed of execution. Now think about advertising, another expensive part of business. AI can test multiple ad versions in a very short time. It identifies which message performs best with real audiences. This eliminates guesswork and saves a lot of money. One small business owner used AI to double sales in weeks. He simply let AI optimize his marketing campaigns continuously. No complicated strategies, just consistent AI-driven adjustments. This shows how practical AI becomes when applied correctly. But the real transformation happens when everything connects together. Research, content, marketing, and support all running with AI. That creates a system that works almost automatically. And this is where online business starts to feel different. It stops being overwhelming and starts becoming manageable. Even beginners can compete with experienced entrepreneurs now because AI levels the playing field in powerful ways. But most people still haven't realized this shift fully yet. They see tools, but not the system behind them. And that missing understanding is what holds them back. And in the next part, we will uncover a deeper perspective, one that completely changes how you think about AI business. And this is where everything starts to get even more interesting. Now, here is where everything you think you know starts to change, because AI is not just a tool for doing tasks faster. It is actually a system for thinking differently about business. Most people assume success comes from working harder online, but AI reveals something completely opposite and more powerful. Success now comes from building systems, not just effort. And systems are exactly what AI helps you create. Think about this carefully for a moment. What if your business could improve itself without your constant input? What if every mistake could be analyzed and corrected instantly? This is no longer theory. It is already happening. AI learns from data patterns and user behavior continuously. That means your business becomes smarter over time automatically. But here's the twist most beginners miss completely. AI does not guarantee success. It amplifies your direction. If your direction is wrong, AI will simply scale your mistakes. This is why strategy is more important than ever before. Let's go deeper into a real psychological shift. People used to think creativity was purely human. Now AI can generate ideas, designs, and even strategies. So the value is no longer just in creating content. The value is in knowing what to create and why. This changes the entire meaning of being an online entrepreneur. You are no longer just a worker. You become a director. AI becomes your production team, working at incredible speed. But a team without leadership creates chaos, not success. That is why many people fail. Even with advanced tools, they never take control of the system they are building. Now consider another important shift happening in real time. Attention is becoming the most valuable currency online. AI helps you capture attention faster than ever before, but attention without trust is completely useless. So you must combine AI efficiency with human authenticity. That balance is where real online success is born. Think about social media content for a second. AI can create posts instantly, but emotion still matters deeply. People connect with stories, not just information. So the smartest entrepreneurs use AI to enhance storytelling, not replace it, but strengthen it in powerful ways. Another hidden truth is competition is increasing rapidly, but so is opportunity if you understand the system, because most people still use AI in very basic ways. They never build full business structures with it. That is your hidden advantage if you act early. You are not late, you are actually early in this transformation, and early movers always shape the future direction. The real question is whether you will adapt or delay, because delay in this space means losing momentum quickly. AI is not slowing down for anyone waiting to decide. It is evolving every single day at massive speed, and those who learn to guide it will lead the market. Those who ignore it will struggle to catch up later. In the next part, we will bring everything together clearly and show how to actually take action with AI. This is where theory turns into real opportunity. Now it is time to turn everything into real action, because knowledge without execution is completely useless. You have seen what AI can do for online business, but results only come when you actually start using it. The first step is choosing a simple online direction. You don't need something complex or overwhelming. Start with content creation, digital products, or simple services. These are the easiest entry points for beginners today. Now bring AI into your daily workflow immediately. Use it to generate ideas, not excuses. Use it to plan, not procrastinate. Use it to execute faster, not to delay action. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for perfection. There is no perfect time to start an online business. Only consistent improvement creates real success. Imagine posting content every single day with AI support. Imagine building a brand even if you start from zero. This is exactly how modern entrepreneurs are growing fast. They don't wait, they adapt and improve constantly. Now think about your own situation for a moment. What is stopping you from starting today? Is it lack of knowledge or lack of action? Because AI already removes most technical barriers. You no longer need advanced skills to begin. You only need willingness to learn and apply. Start small, but start with consistency. Even one AI-assisted post can begin your journey. One idea can turn into a full business system, but only if you take it seriously from the beginning. Treat AI like your business partner, not a shortcut toy. Ask it better questions and build structured workflows. Test different ideas and learn from real feedback. Improve step by step instead of chasing instant success, because real success online is built over time, and AI simply accelerates that process. Now the opportunity is in your hands. You can either observe the change or become part of it. You can either consume content or create income systems. The choice is simple but extremely powerful. Every successful online entrepreneur started exactly where you are, confused, curious, and uncertain about the first step, but they decided to begin anyway, and that decision changed everything for them. You don't need to know everything before starting. You only need to start and learn along the way. AI will guide and support your growth if used correctly, but it cannot replace your decision to act. So take this moment seriously and make a move. Build something small today instead of dreaming big tomorrow, because action creates clarity, not the other way around. Start experimenting with AI tools in your business ideas. Keep improving every single day without stopping, and over time, results will start to compound naturally. This is your chance to enter a growing digital era. So start now and let AI work with you, not without you. Let's bring everything together one final time, because understanding AI is not enough without long-term vision. You are witnessing one of the biggest shifts in online business history, a shift where tools matter less than how you use them. AI is not just a trend, it is a foundation of the new economy, and those who ignore it will slowly fall behind, while those who adapt will move ahead faster than ever. Think about how businesses used to operate before automation. Everything required manual effort, time, and large teams. Now a single person can do the work of many. That is the real power of AI in online business, but power without direction is still useless, so your mindset becomes the most important asset you have. You must think like a builder, not just a user. Builders create systems that grow beyond themselves. Users only follow instructions without long-term vision. Now ask yourself which one you want to become, because AI will respond differently based on your mindset. It will either multiply confusion or multiply clarity. That choice is always in your hands. Start focusing on systems instead of random actions. Build content systems that attract attention daily. Build marketing systems that convert consistently. Build learning systems that improve over time. This is how real online businesses scale today, not through luck, but through structure and consistency. Many people quit too early because they expect instant results, but digital success always takes iteration and patience. AI speeds up the process, but does not remove effort. You still need direction, creativity, and commitment. The difference is you no longer do everything alone. You now have access to intelligent assistance anytime, and that changes everything about how you build online. Imagine 5 years from now, looking back at today, you will either thank yourself for starting or regret waiting. That moment depends entirely on your next decision. There is no perfect strategy waiting to be discovered. Only action creates real clarity and progress. Start small, learn fast, and adapt constantly. That is the real formula behind modern success. AI is simply the multiplier of your effort. It does not replace discipline or consistency. It rewards those who stay committed to learning, and it ignores those who never take action. So the question is no longer about AI itself. The question is about what you will do with it. Will you explore it or ignore it completely? Will you build something and just watch others build? The opportunity is open right now for everyone, but only a few will actually take it seriously. You can be part of that small group if you decide today, because every expert once started as a beginner, and every success story began with a single step. So don't wait for the perfect moment anymore. Start using AI today and shape your online future.